Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to stop call recording from turning on automatically and how to turn it off in a simple and easy way. First, open your phone or caller app, which is the default app you use to make and receive calls. This is where all your call settings are managed. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the More icon, 3 dots. A small menu will appear. From here, select the settings option to open your call settings page. Now scroll carefully through the settings menu until you find an option called call recording or sometimes record calls depending on your device model. Tap on it to open the recording settings. Inside this section, you will see the option called auto record calls. If this feature is turned on, your phone may automatically record calls without asking every time. To stop this, simply tap the toggle switch next to auto record calls and turn it off. Once you do this, your phone will no longer record calls automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.